Welcome to Spitzer Nissan Findlay, and here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with Park View rear backup camera, electronic stability control, steering wheel controls, outside temperature display, air conditioning, tire pressure monitoring system, 8-speaker audio system, traction control, fog lights, rollover protection, and has less than 40,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests. And we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Nissan Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.